Alright guys, so right now I just came from school. We are under a tornado watch. And there's a severe thunderstorm warning for the counties right west of where I'm at. They're right there, right here. Should I get the map set up for you? Right here. There goes the storms. They're moving north. Wow. Where did these storms come from? There they go, right there. Heading straight our way. There's a severe thunderstorm warning right now for this county, St. Charles County, Franklin County, and I forgot the other county. But it's for 3 counties right now. Checking out the lightning. Come on, you stupid ad. Anyway, just checking out the lightning. Hasn't produced much lightning, but wow. It's just amazing how when I get home and I'm under a tornado watch. Here goes the metro. Hold on, is this metro? I think I'm at... Anyway, this isn't the metro. This is the southeast view. This is where the storm's at. Severe thunderstorm warning for this county. And I think this county. And they're moving straight upward. Again, I'm pretty sure I had the camera aimed down. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for this county. That county up here, but you can't see, it's good. And I think this county. I am right in here somewhere. That's where I'm at. I'm right there. Zoom in for you. I'm right in here. Where the mouse is at, I'm right there. The storms are right here. Again, severe thunderstorm warning, this county, and this county up here. Okay. Anyway, just to tell you what's going on, and I'm gonna have updates on the second part. Peace out.